Unfortunately, we were not very lucky with the weather. There was too much snow, wet snow. Old-timers of the Union Glacier camp, they were saying that they have not seen such a strong and snowy and heavy blizzard for at least 15 years.
Conditions were really, really tough, and in the end, we basically didn't have enough fuel to continue. We turned around about 230 kilometers, I think, from our target destination. The expedition proved more or less that we can do this expedition at least 40 kilometers to Cape Jeremy. There are crevices there that we hope to explore, but plan B now for us is that the team might have to walk last 40 kilometers.